Hey loves, today I'm doing a shiny floral nail design that's super chic and really easy. Let's begin. I'm starting with a silver cat gel on a black base. It makes the shimmer really stand out. I'm using a magnet to push the shimmer and get that glowing cat eye effect. With a one stroke brush, I'm picking up all three shades at once so they blend beautifully. For the petals, I'm using red and white, just two colors, for a soft gradient. I'm painting the petals with curvy brush movements, white on the edges, red in the center. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and left a comment. Your support means so much and helps me keep creating more amazing content for you. Finishing with a glossy top coat to seal everything in and it's done. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more cute nail ideas.